Hello guys, welcome to our channel Pursuit of Opportunities. In this video, we will share information on how to pursue a career in pharmacy sector. India is one of the leading countries in manufacturing medicines, thus generating a lot of opportunities for its youth in the pharmacy sector. For more such information, make sure you watch the video till the very end and don't forget to like and share this video to aspirants who are willing to pursue career in pharmacy. Let us share few important points about pharmacy. Pharmacy is the branch of health science that deals with the preparation and dispensing of drug. Its aim is to ensure the safe and effective use of pharmaceutical drugs. A pharmacist is responsible for dispensing and managing medications, educating patients on correct usage of drugs and potential drug side effects, and managing the overall healthcare of well-being of patients, customers in the setting of pharmacies and dispensaries. Pharmacists must know how to handle medications for patient safety and how to give correct dosages. Interaction with patient is common, so pharmacists may need to answer questions about medication. Furthermore, it is the duty and legal obligation of all pharmacists to know and follow the laws pertaining to the prescribed medication and make sure that no medication dispensed to a patient that will create a medical drug interaction with any other medication that the patient is also taking. Staying abreast of new research in pharmaceutical developments and their safety is of vital importance in pharmacy jobs. Pharmacy sector in India. India is the largest provider of generic drugs globally. Indian pharmaceutical sector supplies over 50% of global demand for various vaccines, 40% of generic demand in the US, and 25% of all the medicines in the UK. Indian pharmaceutical sector is expected to grow to $100 billion, while medical device market is expected to grow $25 billion by 2025. Medicine spending in India is projected to grow 9 to 12% over the next 5 years, leading India to become one of the top 10 countries in terms of medicine spending. The Indian government has taken many steps to reduce cost and bring down healthcare expenses. Speedy introduction of generic drugs into the market has remained in focus and is expected to benefit the Indian pharmaceutical companies. Let's discuss one by one about the different courses offered in pharmacy. Diploma in Pharmacy. D-Pharma is a course with duration of 2 years followed by an internship of 3 months. The eligibility criteria is 10+2 with physics and chemistry being mandatory subjects and any one between biology and mathematics. After successful completion of the diploma program, one can be employed in a pharmacy shop. After registering with the Pharmacy Council of India or the State Pharmacy Council, one can also set up their own pharmacy store. The diploma course provides the basic concepts in the field of pharmacy. Bachelor of Pharmacy. B.Pharm is a 4-year undergraduate course with the same entry requirement as D.Pharma. Pharmacy graduates can have several career opportunities in both government and private sectors. Diploma graduates can also get admission into the second year of the Bachelor of Pharmacy program, which is known as the lateral entry. Master in Pharmacy. A candidate who has completed their bachelor's degree in pharmacy is eligible to do masters in pharmacy. Someone who has completed their masters in pharmacy has an advantage over pharmacy graduates in research and development. A few scholarship and other financial assistance in the field of pharmacy are also given to these candidates. Various state level entrance exam for pharmacy courses. We have stated the names of various entrance exams held for pharmacy courses in different parts of India. Each and every minute detail about the exams has been provided on their official website. The links for these websites are provided in the description box. Scope in Pharmacy. Career scope and job opportunities in the pharmacy field are huge. Due to the opening of large pharmaceutical companies, the future in this field of pharmacy is bright. Numerous jobs are available for pharmacists in government as well as private organizations. After completing your studies, you can easily find jobs in pharmaceutical industries, government departments, colleges and universities, hospitals, investigation and research institutes. Pharmacists can practice in community pharmacies, hospitals, clinics, extended care facilities, psychiatric hospitals, and regulatory agencies. Sales and marketing job sector also hires maximum number of pharmacy graduates. One can also work in retail stores of medicines. After registering with the State Pharmacy Council, you can open chemist or drug shop and sell medicines as per doctor's prescription. So, this was the important information one should know before pursuing a career in pharmacy sector. Let us know if you have any query regarding the course in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Pursuit of Opportunities so that you don't miss any update related to career opportunities.